I keep giving bad people good ideas.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're gonna do a little hiking vlog kind of video, and you're like, why the fuck are you going on a hike? Cause fuck it, why not? And this is a good little trail, especially if you're like in the area or you're like gonna visit the area. I would definitely recommend going on this. It's kind of a pain in the ass near the top because you're climbing over rocks, but it's not like you're climbing, it's just more like walking over rocks and shit, but it's a pretty good hike. I've done it a couple times, and I know the do's and don'ts, like obviously bring water. I don't know why, but like, I think like my second or one of my first times doing the fucking hike, for whatever reason, on a hot ass day, I thought I could just do the hike. And I'm like, oh, I should maybe grab water. I don't know, it's not too bad. It's about an hour I could survive. I did survive, but I was fucking feeling pretty fucking dead afterwards. And it's like just common sense. I just was kind of being a little cocky that day, I guess. But, yeah, no, besides that, it's not that bad of a hike. Like, again, if you just bring water, maybe a jacket, you're chilling. But I thought maybe it'd be a little good fucking video to make. And then, also, like I said in my little, goal video, my, like, kind of what I want to kind of do with the channel and shit this year is like I want to try to do more like IRL content and kind of well more like vlog kind of shit. I don't know what sounds less cringy as saying IRL or like vlogs or whatever. I don't know. Both of them are kind of cringy to say. But either way, I want to try and make more videos on like gaming related, and I want to try to do the hike shit and try twisting some of the English, holy fuck. I want to try twisting some of the photography stuff into it, so I'm going to try to do some photography. I'm not going to bring out my Canon T8i camera, because that shit's kind of a pain in the ass to carry around, and especially on a hike, going uphill, so I'm going to save myself the hassle on that one. But we're going to try to do it on my phone. My phone's not that bad. It's a Samsung S23, so it's a little old, but again, the video quality, the camera photo quality, it's not terrible. It does the job. So yeah, I want to try to get some more photos for the website and try to update the website a bit more today. I kind of lack on that shit a bit, but I want to try to get some more photography on there as well. And yeah, if you guys haven't checked it out, go check that shit out. It's in the description below. But let's get this shit fucking started. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say, a lot of this video, I don't want to be like, hey guys, look at this, all that. So a lot of this might be like just a commentary, and I just have a lot of B-roll for footage. But I want to try to get good, interesting shit. So again, if you want to try to do this hike, you get an idea of how it is. Or if you never do it, you at least can kind of experience it, I guess, in a way. I don't fucking know. But just know I'm not gonna be like, oh, look at that tree, oh my god. I'm not that kind of person. I'm sorry. You could be like, oh, it's a self-confident issue. No, I don't want to be obnoxious. And yeah, no, that's pretty much it. Hey guys, so I'm recording this part of the video kind of late as fuck. It's like fucking midnight. But kind of why is because I had a whole bunch of errands and shit to do after the hike and shit. Nothing like crazy or anything like I'm really bitching. It just was more like go grocery shopping so I don't starve to death and shit like that. But yeah, no, the hike was good. I think the only reason why I really didn't hike to the top, and I'll probably do that in a future video because it's really not that bad of a hike or really too difficult. But it's mainly just I didn't bring enough water. Really in any hike or anything like that, you want to bring a fuckload of water. And for me, at least in that situation, I didn't bring enough. I kind of thought like, okay, I might be good with like my big ass bottle of water, but clearly I was not. Again, like you don't need to bring like a fuckload of water. Like again, if you like to drink in a fuckload of water, yeah, you're probably gonna have to bring a fuckload. But I would say, like, again, if you're going on your average little walk, not going too crazy, I would say maybe a gallon. But also, I feel like bringing a gallon of water is kind of a pain in the ass to lug around, and it's a little too much. But I would definitely say, like, at least for me, I would have brought maybe 3 water bottles of those like little plastic, like normal size water bottles you can buy at the grocery store. I would have probably brought 3 of those and filled my water bottle up. And I think at that point you kind of have enough water, so then you have your water bottle, 1 to fill up, or maybe 2 to fill up your water bottle, depending how big it is, for the way back down. And then you just kind of have that extra one just to kind of fill your shit. But, yeah, no, at least for me, I feel like the hike isn't too bad. Again, it does get kind of more rockier on the top. And, again, in like a future video and shit, I'll obviously get the footage. It does get kind of more like, it doesn't like, it's not like a cliff or anything, but it does get like, well, a little bit more narrow, and you're starting more climb the mountain, so you're just kind of going up like little ramps like this, and then another ramp going like this, and just like keep scaling the mountain. But it's not too bad. Though I kind of a couple rocks you gotta hop on top of, and just kind of hop on over to the other rock. But again, when I'm talking about that, you're not really climbing rocks, you're just kind of like walking onto the rock and then walking over to the other rock and then walking back on normal ground. Like, it's nothing too crazy. But again, with some of the footage I got and shit, you can see it is a pretty nice little fucking hike. And again, not to sound like a complete old motherfucker, I would say hiking's fucking mint. It's nice. Again, like, it is kind of, I feel like you see a whole bunch of old people usually doing that shit. But a lot of the time, too, I think it depends on the area you live in. But half the time, I don't even really see that older, like, that order of people. Oh, I feel like I'm saying the wrong word for that. I don't see that much older people. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. I just was saying it weird. But, pretty much, I don't really see that many old people on trails that much of the time. It's usually people just trying to, exercise, you know. They're like little gym bros, not little, no, usually pretty buffed up dudes. But again, they're like gym bros and shit. Well, you do see some people trying to, they're trying to exercise, lose some weight, or just, try to stay fit, whatever the fuck. And yeah, no, usually a lot of the time I don't even really see that many old people. So again, at least in my mind, I always thought like, oh, hiking's for like old ass people. But I would say it's fucking, sometimes it's like, fuck it, just go on like hour-long walk or hike or whatever. It's kind of nice. It's definitely nice if you bring a little bit of, I don't know why I did this. Why would, to bring some weed? That's what I should have said. This shit not even that legal, and it's pretty illegal. I don't know, weed's so weird. It's like still legal, but illegal. It's like, at least now it went from Schedule 1 to Schedule 3, which is prop. But it's still like federally illegal. But then also at the same time, it's gonna have more resource medically. There's gonna be less taxing on it because they realize, oh, if they tax the fuck out of it, people are still gonna buy off the streets, so it's gonna make the black market bigger anyways, which the whole point of legalization is to kind of kill the black market and let people just smoke weed, because weed's actually not that bad of a fucking thing if it's at least in the right hands of a responsible adult. It's actually safer than alcohol. Crazy, blows my mind. Wouldn't have thought of that one. But yeah, no. Back onto the hike and shit. I want to try to do more little hikes and shit. There's a lot of like beach trails and stuff I want to try and do. By the Bishop Peak one's at least close to where I live, and it's a nice little hike and shit. And I do want to get a video out where I do get to the top, because you get to the top is so fucking nice. I have photos and shit of when I did it in the past, and you can see the whole fucking city. It's one of the best hikes. It's like, yeah, you're walking over a couple rocks at the top, and it's kind of annoying, but it's so fucking worth it at the end of the day. And again, it's not even that hard of a hike. It's just more the inclines that kind of beat your ass, but that's like when you just need to bring water, and as long as you have water, you're kind of fine, because again, those like shade, so there's a lot of rest spots and stuff like that. And then again, there's a lot of makeshift spots. It's kind of cool, like when you first walk in, there's just like kind of whole bunch of rocks kind of set up, No, I don't know if they placed them though or whatever, but there's a whole bunch of rocks set up in the shaded area that you could sit on, chill out, whatever. And as you go up, there's more shaded spots and some like, I don't know, it's don't sit next to that, but again, there's like maybe a tree stump or a fucking rock you could sit on in the shade, so that's nice. But besides that, at the top it's really nice. I wish again I got footage of that today, but just knowing I had other shit to do with that, it would I had other shit going on that day, and the fact that I didn't have enough water, I kind of didn't want to exhaust myself too fucking much. But hope you guys enjoyed today's video at least, and yeah, I'll get more like little videos like this and shit out soon. And you can try to, in the process, get more photography onto the website so you guys have a reason to go check out that shit. Because, again, I know I could post that kind of shit on, like, Instagram and shit. And sometimes I usually do, but I don't know. I just kind of think it's kind of a little stupid. No, I'm not trying shit on Instagram, but I just feel like a lot of the time it just ends up being, like, bots liking my shit or just motherfuckers liking my shit, trying to have me like their shit, and it's like, I don't really give a fuck about your shit, you know, type of shit. But also, I do want to try to start dropping stickers and, like, t-shirts and stuff as the channel grows, and later on in this year, at least start doing sticker drops again and shit. But I don't want to just have a merch website and just have, oh, buy this, buy this. I at least want to have, like, okay, there's a whole merch stuff, that's cool. And then there's also the photography stuff and just other stuff that I kind of come up with down the road that I can jam into this website. But yeah, I want to just try and make it well, just not just buy my t-shirt. Like every fucking YouTuber's website. But besides, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.